Dr. Evans, a few points before rounds. Mr. Peterson in bed 3. His bloods show a persistent anemia. We need to investigate the underlying cause, perhaps a GI bleed. Then there's Mrs. Gupta, post-op day 1, reporting significant nausea despite antiemetics. Try a different class of medication. And young Masterly, the appendicectomy yesterday, has a slight temperature spike. Keep a close eye on his vitals for any signs of infection. However, my primary concern is Mr. Davies in cubicle 5. His potassium levels are trending dangerously low, and I suspect it's exacerbated by his current diuretic regimen. We need to adjust his furosemide immediately, as this could precipitate an arrhythmia.
Right, Dr. Mihira. So for Mr. Davies, it's the furosemide causing the hypokalemia, not just dietary intake?
Precisely, Dr. Evans. While diet plays a role, the profound drop suggests the medication is the primary driver in this acute presentation.
Mihira, let me walk you through the process step by step so you feel fully prepared and know exactly what will happen. Before we start, I'll gently clean a small area on your arm with an antiseptic wipe to make sure the skin is completely clean. After that, I'll place a soft elastic band, known as a tourniquet, around the upper part of your arm. This simply helps the vein become more visible and easier to access, and you may notice a brief feeling of tightness. When everything is ready, I will insert a small needle into the vein. Most people describe the sensation as a quick, sharp scratch that lasts only a moment. Once the needle is in place, I'll collect a small amount of blood into a tube, and this part usually takes less than a minute. As soon as we have the sample we need, I will remove the needle, apply gentle pressure with cotton to stop any slight bleeding, and then place a small plaster over the area to protect it. Throughout the procedure, I'll let you know what I'm doing so there are no surprises. Mihira, do you have any concerns or questions?